Most LLC owners in Texas get this wrong every year. They think filing the annual report is optional, or they wait until the last minute and end up paying penalties or risking their LLC status. Here's the truth no one tells you. Texas handles LLC reporting differently than many other states, and that confusion causes a lot of mistakes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to file your Texas LLC annual report in 2026 step by step. What documents you actually need, the deadlines you cannot miss, and the easiest way to avoid late fees. And stay until the end, because I'll explain one simple mistake that can trigger tax notices even if your LLC made no money. Let's get straight into it. In Texas, most LLCs need to file two things each year. The first is the franchise tax report. The second is the public information report, often called the PIR. Even if your LLC owes zero tax, you usually still need to file. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many new business owners hear franchise tax and panic. But most small LLCs in Texas actually owe nothing if revenue stays below the no tax due threshold. In 2026, many small businesses will likely still qualify for no tax due status depending on state thresholds. For example, Jake started a small online business selling phone accessories. His LLC made under the threshold, so he didn't owe franchise tax. But he still had to submit the report. That's the part many people miss. So, how do you file? First, go to the Texas Comptroller website. You'll usually receive a web file number by mail, or through previous filings. Log in using your taxpayer number and web file credentials. Next, choose franchise tax filing. If your LLC qualifies for no tax due, the system will guide you through a simplified process. You'll confirm revenue information, business details, and ownership data. Wow. But here's the problem. Many people rush through the public information report section. This is where you list your business address, registered agent, and company managers or members. If this information is outdated, Texas records become inaccurate, and that can create issues later with banks or legal notices. Now this is where most people fail. They wait until May and suddenly forget passwords, taxpayer numbers, or registered agent details. Texas annual reports are generally due May 15 each year, unless the date shifts for weekends or holidays. Filing early saves a huge amount of stress. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to avoid future filing headaches. The smartest move is keeping a digital folder with your IN, web file number, registered agent information, and prior filings. Alex started doing this after wasting hours searching old emails during tax season. The next year, filing took less than 15 minutes. So here's the key takeaway. Filing your Texas LLC annual report in 2026 is usually simple if you stay organized. Most small LLCs owe no franchise tax, but you still need to file the required reports on time to keep your business compliant. If this video helped you understand how to file your Texas LLC annual report step by step, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest LLC question for 2026.